Hi friends, let me show you these smart recessed lights that I received for reviewing purposes. They are great because they change color. You can control them with your phone app or with Alexa or with any kind of intelligent pods, okay? You get the user manual, all the applications that you need if you have iOS or Android. As you can see, they are really nice in the outside, white. Of course, you will install them like with these hooks, so easy. You just connect them to a regular light bulb connection. So it's so easy to install them. Let me show you. Okay, that's it. Okay, you get 6 in this package, 6 of them, and as I told you, you can control them with your phone app. Let's try them and let me show you how nice they look. Now we have the lamps installed and we are going to configure them. So friends, now we have our lights configured in our app. Let me show you. This is the app, Smart Life, and they are called Smart Can Lights 6 inches. I have 4 of them, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Of course, you can rename them and make a group. I'm just going to show you what you can do with them. You can turn them on and off one by one if you have them individually configured, okay? We are going to create a group, okay? Create group. We are going to group all the lights in one group as, well, this is a set of 4 lights in the same place, okay? We are going to call it the kitchen lights, okay? Perfect. And now we can turn them on and off all at the same time, as you can see, okay? You can change the color from warmer to colder, as you can see. Okay. They turn more colder or more warmer or more colder. And the brightness, you can change the brightness to make it almost 1%, almost a night light. Okay. And you can change the colors, okay? So you can have all blue, all green, red, or whichever combination you like for your home. Orange, red, light blue, purple, red, and also change the brightness, okay? So these are really nice lamps. You can control them with your phone or, well, of course, turn them on and off, okay? And they will keep the configuration from your app since the last time you turn them off, okay? So we are just going to have them white in a cold brightness, okay? So these lights are nice. They come in a package of 6. You can turn them on and off one at a time or the whole group, okay? On and off. You can have even different configuration for different lamps if you do them individually, okay? Or all at the same time. Perfect, thank you.